Today I have with me Jabra earbuds model number Elite Active 75T, and I was eyeing this earbud since very long time, and it was a bit costly, so I was not purchasing it. I am already having Sennheiser Momentum and OnePlus earbuds, and still I wanted to purchase this because in many reviews I have read that these earbuds are one of the best in both battery backup and sound quality. So ultimately, when the prices dropped, I purchased it. Its actual price is around 16,000, but I have purchased it for around 10,000, that too on EMI on Flipkart, and interest-free EMI. So now I'm going to see this, and I'm going to unbox this, and we'll be able to see what's all is inside. So now we will see what's there in the box. It's written Elite Active 75T. Jabra branding is here. Engineered for secure fit, great music and calls, waterproof and designed for sport. It has got IP55 waterproof, tested for secure active fit, waterproof, dust and sweat resistant, up to 28 hours of total charge. And we know that it has got a great battery backup, including the charger. And this side we have got nothing, only superior sound and 150 years. Then here it is written, hear through mode, hear your surroundings, 4 microphone call technology, customize your music, 7.5 hours battery, up to 28 hours with charging case. So we can recharge it 3 times with this case. 2 years warranty against dust and sweat, direct voice assistant. And here we can see it is made, country of origin is China, and the actual price is 16,999. That is almost 17,000, but I have purchased it in 10,000. And I have to download this Jabra Sound Plus app to get the full features. Below we have got some markings, made in China logo, and this is the seal. So I am going to open it, and we will see what is there inside. So we have opened it, and now we are going to see what is there inside. Okay. Wow. It has got nothing, and we have got this inside. We have got 2 beautiful pieces of the earbuds. Get started, download the Jabra Sound app, and okay, and we have got this charging box. This is very small as compared to Sennheiser Momentum, which I purchased earlier. And I'm going to open this up. Oh, very small and sleek. It has got 2 charging pins inside, and we have got these 2 earbuds. This is left-sided. It's written Jabra. It's all plastic, but it's looking really premium. And this is written over L over here and R. This is right-sided and left-sided, and these are all looking very awesome. So I'm going to keep it back, and this fits here nicely, and we can, and it is showing that. What else have we got? We have got this is the charging wire, and we have got the set of these earplugs. So according to the fit we can change it. these earplugs according to the fit. We can change it, and we have got some pamphlets, some directions. And is there anything else inside? No, it's empty. So these are the things which I have got in this box, and now I'm going to use it, and I'll tell you later in my next video how good this is as an earbud in comparison to my previous earphones. And I just tried to connect this, and I'd like to tell you the fitting. This is so comfortable over here in the ear. I have just connected it, and it really got connected very fast, to my mobile Bluetooth, and the sound quality is feeling awesome, and much better than the Sennheiser Momentum I purchased, or even OnePlus earbuds. These two earbuds I have got experience with. So I'll say it's very premium, very good earbuds, and I'll really recommend it for all of you. If you really want it, you can go for it, and if you like this video, please like the video and subscribe. Thank you.